and I'm ready to wrap. So I've got my impression pad right here. All right, so I'm going to take it, I'm going to squeeze it twice, and I'm going to make sure that I have that wrap over the anchor very clearly. Nice attachment right over that anchor. I'm going to stay down on the hoof. I'm going to get a second time over that anchor, which I have right there. Okay, I'm going to go a second time over this anchor, which I have right there. If I can get a third time, I will. Did. And that's pretty close. There we go. So now I'm going to start wrapping down so that I have a base for the shoe pieces to fit. And I don't have to go up on the heel bulbs. In fact, I want to leave it loose so that I can pull it down off the heel bulbs. Once I've got a couple of layers for that shoe to go onto, the pieces to go onto, I'm going to start moving up my foot. And you'll see why I keep it very loose. No tension on it whatsoever. Okay, on this foot, I don't need much more than 7 or 8 layers, so I'm going to stop right now. I'm not going to use the whole wrap. It's a small foot. And I'm going to start pulling that wrap down and positioning it where I want it. But the key is to pull it onto those heels. Pull it down hard onto the anchor. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Pull it down the hoof. Position it. Now I'm ready to put it on the pad. Pick up the other foot, and my handle will hold that foot up. We'll just let it set.